Assessing the amount of carbon monoxide emitted by 5 different kinds of vehicle using Arduino Uno microcontroller and MQ7 sensor. The design hearing was held on January 8, 2018 in the Ocana Nhs Shs Computer Laboratory. The researchers utilized the Arduino Uno and MQ7 sensor in measuring the concentration of carbon monoxide produced by different kinds of vehicle. The device is composed of 3 main components: the Arduino MQ7 sensor, Arduino Uno microcontroller and an Android smartphone. The MQ7 sensor is connected to the analog input ports of the microcontroller. The Android smartphone, which operates as the power supply, is connected to the microcontroller through AMBM USB cable. The Android smartphone also operates as the screen to display the output data for the carbon monoxide concentration using the Arduino programming application. Carcar City is the locale of this study. Cars, trucks delivering goods, motorcycles and jeepneys waiting for passengers can be found at the Save More supermarket and at the public market. Buses can be found across the Save More supermarket and at the roadside across the Jollibee fast food restaurant. Different kinds of vehicles can be found in these areas, especially during busy hours, which is 8 o'clock 12 a.m. The pre-oral defense was held on February 23, 2018 in the senior high school building. The final stage involves analysis of sensor readings. The amount of carbon monoxide emitted by 5 different kinds of vehicle was carefully recorded and systematically analyzed using the analysis of variance, ANOVA, paired sample t-test and post hoc test. Based on the analysis, jeepneys emitted the highest amount of carbon monoxide among any other kinds vehicle, both in high and low throttle. The results showed that vehicles in low throttle emitted the highest amount of carbon monoxide in Monday. The results showed that vehicles in high throttle emitted the highest amount of carbon monoxide in Saturday. Based on the findings gathered, jeepneys traveling and passing by Carcar City Main Road contributed the most number of carbon monoxide produced among all kinds of vehicle in both high and low throttle. It was also found out that gear in high throttle increases the amount of carbon monoxide emitted by different types of vehicle. Moreover, more carbon monoxide was emitted on the first day of work Monday, and in the last of day work, Saturday, wherein many vehicles will go in and out of the city.